Blenko is one of the world's largest mouth-blown glass manufacturers. West Virginia used to have over 475 glass manufacturers alone in this state. There's now just 4. Really what sets Blenko apart is our color and our recipes. We make thousands of beautiful, colorful objects every single day.
The color doesn't stop in the glass. It goes all the way and it bleeds into the people. We are as colorful as the glass, and I think that is just as important.
We do try to preserve Blenko's 130 plus years of history, but trying to blend it with new technology, new things to help keep us propelled for another 100 years. All that's possible through our partnerships and friends at the West Virginia University MEP.
I'm Jamie Cope. I'm the Manager of Business Development at the West Virginia University Industrial Extension, part of the MEP National Network. The first project that I did here at Blenko was bringing in Dr. Gopala with the WVU Industrial Assessment Center. It was a great start because it showed them where they were hemorrhaging money, being able to see those areas they could find out instantly where they needed to improve.
The infrastructure project, the stacks replacement, the furnace replacement, all these different things are possible through the vehicles that West Virginia University's Industrial Extension have provided to us.
There's a lot of opportunity for things to be optimized and accelerated based on technology, and that's what they've been able to do.
The data that this place generates is massive. One of my primary goals right now is to standardize that work process, to make that data real and actionable in a way that we can use it to improve our training and our ability to make better glass quickly. Blenko's Enterprise Resource Planner is our tool that we use to take that short list, schedule it, produce it, grade it.
They have been able to increase in areas where they need to, but their heart has been in lifting up people and helping them to be the best people they could be.
If it takes 10 years to be glass blowers, we don't have 10 years. We'll go out of business. So we have to bust through that expectation.
They have found ways to accelerate that process through apprenticeships, through uncovering every rock to figure out where the people that want to do this are, and then giving them the opportunity to thrive and grow in a supportive environment.
One of our first apprentices, he came through and he was in a bench and blowing in less than a year. For us to be able to start with 28 people post-COVID, to grow up to 72 now, to be able to have a plan for around-the-clock production is incredible.
While I have been amazed at the technological transformation that has happened, it's been even more impressive the changes that they've made in their people. It's great to see a company grow, but it's even better to see the people in that company grow.
What we do now to get kids excited for glass, for manufacturing, for even design, we open up to every student in West Virginia to enter a big art contest. And we invite our friends out every year to come out and make some stamps, and they get to cut the glass, they get to feel the heat.
One of the great things about the design challenge is that Blenko realizes the impact that it has on our community, that some of these students may end up being their glassmakers in the future.
You hire based on passion, somebody who wants to preserve that legacy, that gives them a reason to get out of bed in the morning.
We do it with pride and with passion, and there is something really magical and special here.
I have been amazed at the companies that are over 100 years old, just getting total new life breathed into them.
We get to have real-world impact here in Milton, West Virginia, apply Appalachian craftsmanship and ingenuity, and then ship it to the world. Just like the Egyptians and Romans did, we still batch glass, we still form glass by hand. There is a remarkable amount of beauty and hard work that happens here every day.
Handmade things are made with love, and that's the secret ingredient to everything good, isn't it?